What is up, guys? Welcome back to part 2. Today I'm planning on getting everything blocked that we did in the previous video, as you guys just saw in that quick little time lapse. We're gonna block everything, and then I think we're gonna get the beginning stages of primer down, and then from there it won't be done yet, but we'll probably just go ahead and move on to these two small dents right up here on the roof, right here and right there. If you get down right there, you can see that one, and then actually the way the light's bouncing right there, you can go ahead and see that one. You can't even really feel it. They're very small, very small. So yeah, this one's right here. So yeah, we'll probably end up just moving on to getting those sanded and then pulled a little bit, then a small little thing of body filler if needed. Hopefully not. That'd be pretty cool if we don't need to do body filler there. And then after that, that might be it for the video, just because I'm feeling really lazy. Or we might move on to actually fixing that one. This one we'll probably do last, just because it's not a dent, it's popped out. We need to push it back in. So we'll probably end up moving on to that one. And then once all of that is done, we definitely need to get this thing pulled out of the garage and get her washed, because she is extremely dirty and there's spider webs just everywhere on it. And it's freaking me out. Oh, look at that. There's a spider right in there. I can see him. Right there. Right there. Yesterday, I ran into a spider as I was sanding, or not sanding, but working on this area. And then when I came back home from the store, I almost walked right into a black widow that did a web going from its car to my car. And we're not gonna have that. So I was just gonna wash the car at the very end of the process, but I think we're gonna get this thing washed. We're gonna have to wash it several times because it's just gonna get re-dusty again, as you guys can see. But we need to get rid of those spiders and all those webs. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and throw you guys into a time lapse again. And let's try to get some work done today. All right, guys, so what you pretty much just saw me do was I used my heat gun and of course a flathead or something to use to push, because it gets extremely hot. And what I'm doing is I'm letting the plastic get extremely soft, and then I'm pushing it where I want it, and then I'm using water and using that to cool it down, so it forms basically its new shape as fast as possible, if you know what I mean. So that feels, I believe, really good. Out. So of course you're gonna get, now little imperfections like that, but not a big deal. But now that bump right here is completely gone. If anything, it's now a small low spot. But now what I want to do is I feel, and before you guys question, it probably would have been better off buying just a new bumper, to be honest. It would have been a lot easier, a lot quicker, but it is what it is. So now I think I feel one right here on this part now. This, however, feels good. There's still a slight little bulge like right here. I'll probably play with that as well. But what I like to do is kind of just feel, and then feel the side that's perfect, and see I don't feel anything there. So yeah, we're gonna hit this part and then this section oh, sorry, I don't even think I was showing you guys. We're gonna hit this part and this section right here. Everything sanded and cleaned. I know the rear is still going to need a little bit of filler right in this area, but I just want to get some primer down and kind of just try to see more of what needs shaping and whatnot, because when it's multiple colors like this, it's really hard to see what's perfect, what's not perfect. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is pretty much get everything masked that needs to be masked, and then we're gonna get some primer down. Listen to that cold start, guys. Sheesh. This sounds so good. So his car actually is pretty much the same exact setup as mine, except a resonator delete. He has a resonator delete on top of the muffler delete. It's OEM Cats, res, and muffler delete. Mine is OEM Cats, high flow resonator, and then a muffler delete. Sounds good on a cold start, jeez. Before we go ahead and close this video out, we're gonna go ahead and focus on this bad boy right here. Try to show you. There you go, you can see. Look at how it deforms the image, or the reflection, I should say. So it's not huge. So I'm gonna go ahead, heating this bad boy up right now. We're gonna try to get it pulled out. And then from there, we'll sand and end up putting a little bit of body filler down. I don't know if that's gonna be today, but then tomorrow we'll work that one right there. You can see it, that one's popped out. So we just need to hammer that in. But today we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, or at least beginning stages of getting it pulled. And then we'll come back out tomorrow, finish that up, and then start on that. Guys, so you can see now the reflection is much better. It doesn't change a whole lot actually at all. And actually, I mean, it's completely smooth other than this little gouge. I mean, you could see the reflections. So this is pretty much completely out. So what I'm gonna end up doing from here is just sand this area, put a small little skim coat, and then sand and primer, and this area is done. Real quick, actually, just because, let's go ahead and try to get this hammered in. All right, guys, so there is a little bit of a dent as well. So actually, I'm gonna begin pulling that out. Hammered out the part that was sticking out, but look at the reflection in the garage. Let's see if we can try to get that as straight as possible. All right, so the glue is a little bit stuck, but you can see the reflection right here, how it's straight. And before it came up pretty high, if you noticed, and now it's just a little bit, and that's because there's still a little bit of a dent right about in that area and right about in that area. But it's looking really good. All right, guys, so that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off. Part 3, I'm gonna try my best to try to just get all the body working stuff done, maybe off camera, since part 1 was a lot of body work, part 2 was some body work and primer, and also getting those 2 dents pulled. So I'm probably gonna come out here tomorrow off camera, try to just get everything pulled out, and for the most part body worked off camera. That way I don't bore you guys with the same thing for every single part. And then, so part 3, what we'll do is probably begin removing the entire front end, front bumper, fenders, headlights, everything other than the hood. And we'll just, so yeah, we'll get all of that removed. And then also an update on the dent on the quarter panel, door, and the ones above. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And stay tuned, like I said, for a few more parts of this build. This thing is gonna transform, guys. So if this is your first time watching this car, go check out part 1 first, so you can see exactly how the car looked and everything before I went ahead and touched it. And stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys for 3,300 subscribers. We're trying to hit 4,000. I really want to hit it, guys. It will mean the absolute world to me. So please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. 80% of you guys are watching my videos and not subscribed. So just subscribe. Let's get to 4K. And the more we grow, guys, let me just tell you this, the more we're going to be doing merch drops, more cars, buying more cars. There's going to be a lot more going on, guys. Trust me when I say that. But I need your guys' help by just hitting the thumbs up and subscribe. It literally takes like 10 seconds of your day, It's free, so go do it. It'll help me out. Thank you guys. I hope to see you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.